What my garden centre means to me is passion, beauty, atmosphere. It's a very, very urban environment that we're in the middle of, and yet when you walk into the garden centre it feels a little bit like you're walking into a bit of countryside. There's lots of trees, there's lots of bird noise, there's a few trains, but it doesn't feel like you're in London suddenly, and I think that's one of the special points about the garden centre for people. It feels like you're stepping out of London briefly. So I think that gives it a really nice character. I think in terms of us being different from other places, then we're small, so we don't, in a way, we edit the things that we've got. We don't have everything, but we think we know what works for people in London and for small gardens. A lot of people come here aren't gardeners, but they want it to look nice, and so we can help them with that. The first thing I say to people is be bolder than you think you were going to be. One or two big things, bigger than they thought they could cope with, change the atmosphere. So I would say to people, be bold, maybe get a few things and look after them well. So we're trying to create people atmosphere in their gardens, but with a different palette of stuff that we've edited in a way. And I think people really respond to having somebody to talk to about that.